Hello, healthcare heroes. Today, we're diving into a topic that sits at the heart of our profession, finding purpose in every patient encounter. Whether you're a physician, nurse, paramedic, technician, therapist, or support staff, your daily work is more than a series of tasks. It's a profound opportunity to make meaning, both for your patients and for yourself. What does finding purpose in every patient encounter mean? Finding your purpose in every patient encounter means approaching each interaction with the intent to make a meaningful difference, no matter how routine or challenging the situation. It's about recognizing that every moment with a patient is a chance to connect, to heal, and to reaffirm why you chose this path. This mindset transforms everyday duties into opportunities for growth, fulfillment, and resilience, even amid the pressures of modern healthcare. Viktor Frankl was a neurologist, psychiatrist, and Holocaust survivor whose experiences led him to develop logotherapy, or the meaning theory. Frankl's central idea was that the primary human drive is not pleasure or power, but the pursuit of meaning, especially in the face of suffering. He argued that even in the most adverse conditions, we retain the freedom to choose our attitude and find purpose in our experiences. For healthcare workers, Frankl's theory is vital. It reminds us that meaning can be found not just in triumphs, but also in the struggles, setbacks, and daily routines of our work. Research in nursing and mental health shows that integrating Frankl's principles leads to more empathic, holistic care and greater resilience among professionals, especially when facing suffering or end-of-life situations. Viktor Frankl once said, "When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves." Understanding this quote is important because it can promote strength, introspection, and the pursuit of meaningfulness and purpose in our daily lives. Why meaning matters, the evidence. It is important to understand why meaning matters. Let's look at the data. 87% of healthcare workers report that a sense of meaning and altruism is a core reason they remain in their roles, even amid poor working conditions. Burnout rates among healthcare professionals range from 27% to 75% depending on specialty, with meaning in work acting as a protective factor against burnout and turnover. Healthcare workers who reflect on their purpose and meaning at work report higher job satisfaction, better patient outcomes, and improved team cohesion. These statistics underscore that finding meaning isn't a luxury. It's essential for both personal well-being and the quality of care we deliver. Reflecting on your why in healthcare. Reflecting on your why is critical. How do you reconnect with your purpose? Reflective practice is a powerful tool. Regularly ask yourself, why did I choose this profession? What moments have been most meaningful to me? How did I make a difference today, even in small ways? Structured reflection. through journaling, peer discussion, or formal debriefs improves self-directed learning, motivation, and the quality of care you provide. It transforms challenges into lessons and helps you adapt with intention and compassion. Celebrating small wins with patience. It is important to celebrate small wins with patience. In our results-driven culture, it's easy to overlook incremental progress. Yet, research in recovery and behavioral health shows that noticing and celebrating small wins is crucial for sustaining motivation and hope. Acknowledging a patient's first step toward recovery. Celebrating adherence to a new medication regimen. Recognizing a moment of trust or connection. Write down these moments, share them with your team, or simply pause to appreciate them. These small victories accumulate, fueling resilience for both you and your patients. Seek meaning in routine tasks. Purpose isn't only found in dramatic saves or breakthroughs. Routine tasks, drawing blood, changing dressings, assisting a patient to the bathroom, or updating charts are opportunities to practice presence, empathy, and excellence. Studies show that integrating patient values and preferences, even in routine care, enhances patient motivation and satisfaction. Approach each task as a chance to affirm dignity and build trust. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Musonius Rufus offer timeless lessons for healthcare workers. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and attitudes, while accepting the unpredictability of outcomes. In healthcare, this means cultivating calm and rationality amidst chaos, practicing virtues like justice, temperance, bravery, and wisdom, viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth. Musonius Rufus wrote, "I am bound to do good to my fellow creatures and bear with them." This ethos aligns perfectly with our mission as healthcare professionals. Recent peer-reviewed studies show that Stoic principles, when applied by healthcare leaders and frontline workers, foster resilience, reduce stress, and improve decision-making and communication. By embracing Stoic attitudes, you can maintain your sense of purpose, even in the most challenging circumstances. Actionable strategies for healthcare heroes. There are actionable strategies that healthcare heroes can use to find purpose and meaning. Reflect regularly. Use brief daily or weekly check-ins to revisit your why and recognize meaningful moments. Celebrate small wins. Notice progress, write it down, and share with your team or support system. Infuse meaning into routine. Remember that every task, no matter how small, contributes to patient dignity and well-being. Practice Stoic virtues. Focus on what you can control, act with integrity, and seek wisdom in adversity. Finding purpose in every patient encounter is not about grand gestures, but about daily choices in how we show up, connect, and care. Drawing on Viktor Frankl's meaning theory, the wisdom of Stoic philosophers, and the latest research, we see that meaning is both a shield against burnout and a source of joy and resilience. Healthcare hero, your work matters. Every encounter is an opportunity to make meaning for your patients, your team, and yourself. Thank you for watching the Healthcare Motivation channel. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. And share this video to encourage and uplift other healthcare heroes.